Here's a little diversion. Yeah, I'm gonna do this. The maternal side of my family, my mom is from Luxembourg, Low Country between France, Belgium, and Germany. And in the midst of World War II, her village was occupied. My mother was like 12 years old under Nazi occupation. And there's some very heroic things and stories I have from my family. It's incredible, just incredible. I mean, from Russian prison camps to going before the Gestapo and my family. I won't get into the details. So when my mom got married in '54, they were meeting my father in Germany. She came twice, I think 63 or 64 and 65 for the first time. And she passed away here in the United States on her second visit. And as a little kid, I'd be up every morning with her. She'd come in the summer for the summer season, and she taught me how to make coffee and how to put sugar and eat a grapefruit fresh, but also walked 1.5 miles on a blazing hot summer day, my mother not knowing and not wanting her to do this, with me and my brother at maybe 8 and 10 years old, 1.5 miles to the toy shop to buy us a croquet set and walk it all the way back home. So she would sing this song around the table. She loved to sing. We'd have family gatherings and food, and so.
What was your grandma's name?
Marie Espen. Simple tune with simple message. When I was just a little boy, I asked my mother, what will I be? Will I be handsome? Will I be rich? Here is what she said to me. Que sera, sera, whatever will be, will be. Oh, the future is just not ours to see. Que sera, sera, what will be, will be. When I was young, I fell in love. I asked my sweetheart, what lies ahead? Will we have rainbows day after day? Here's what my sweetheart said. Que sera, sera, oh, whatever will be, will be. The future is not ours to see. Que sera, sera, what will be, will be. Now I have some children, no of my own. They ask their father, won't I be? Will I be handsome? Will I be rich? I tell them